Something happened during the filming of my plant stand design video. While removing the curve, I had 3D printed. The print stuck fast to the bed of the 3D printer. I was able to eventually remove the print, but it tore a hole in my printer bed. I was able to work around the tear for a couple of prints, but ultimately I needed to make repairs. Like with all things new, I am generally terrified by the new experience, expecting to sink money into a project that I've never attempted before, mess it all up, sink more money trying to fix my mistakes, before deciding to sink more money into either getting professional help or buying a completely new item or tossing it all out altogether. So I flirted with the idea of bypassing any attempts of repairing the bed by buying a new bed outright. However, despite my apprehension, I watched a couple of YouTube videos, each a couple of times themselves, before deciding that I could actually do this job myself, saving me money in the long run. The trickiest part of this entire operation was trying to get all those dots of adhesive off the bed before putting down the new surface layer. What you see me doing here is what I saw done in those videos I researched. And eventually, I was able to get all that excess adhesive off. Next up, I was putting down the new surface, which proved much easier than pulling up the old surface. The ease of this phase of the project was a very pleasant surprise. I was fearful of getting a bubble or starting it off askew, but ultimately it just kind of fell into place. I didn't need the credit card as it was suggested in my research videos. Thanks a whole bunch for watching. If you found this video entertaining, informative, or any such things like that in any way, shape, or form, please like and subscribe. Blessings.